In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set custom charging animation on Poco C75. Open the Play Store. Install this application in your device. I have already installed it, so I will simply open it. Simply skip the advertisement. Now here you get the multiple type of charging animations. For example, I like this one. I will simply tap on allow. Now to set the charging animation, I will simply tap on tick, tap on yes. Now select the charging animation from here. Tap on this toggle to allow the access. Go back. Tap on apply. Now let's check it out. As you can see, my charging animation is changed. So this is how you can set custom charging animation on Poco C75. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.